How to install and log in Slack. Need to set up Slack for Workers School. Here's a quick guide to install and log in. So on your device, go ahead and open the Play Store App Store and then sign in into your account and then head over into the search tab. So as for me, I will try installing it on my iOS device. Use the search bar to look for Slack. Click on Slack on the results and then select this download button to start downloading the application. So the download process would vary depending on the strength of your internet connection. The stronger your connection is, the easier for the app to be installed on your device. So once the app is installed, you should find an open button to open the application on your device where you have installed the application. So once you find it, simply click on the open button to open the app. So that will take you into the homepage where you can actually sign in or sign up for an account on Slack. So from here, go ahead and select sign in if you already have an account on the platform or sign up if you don't have one yet. Now you can go ahead and sign in manually. You can also sign in with your workspace URL. You can sign in with your Google account, Apple account, or government Slack account. And that is how to install and log in Slack.